This video will show you how to attach the optional EasyFit mounting plate when mounting and installing a BRK Smoke or Combo Smoke and CO. The EasyFit mounting plate is designed to cover blemishes left on the wall or ceiling by the previous alarm. Using this convenient mounting plate can help with retrofitting apartments or office spaces, eliminating the need for painting or cosmetic repairs. It comes in the package along with the alarm, mounting bracket, dust cover, power connector, batteries if applicable, screws and the user manual. First, if you are replacing a hardwired alarm, shut off the power at the circuit breaker for that area. Next, remove the old alarm and its mounting bracket. Place the EasyFit plate on the wall or ceiling and then place the mounting bracket within the ring. Use the supplied screws to secure both the bracket and the plate firmly against the wall or ceiling. Make sure it is flush with the ceiling or wall. Always install the bracket supplied with the new alarm. Older brackets will not align or lock properly, impeding smoke flow. Continue mounting the alarm to the bracket. For full installation instructions, including wiring and mounting the alarm, refer to the user manual or watch Install a Battery-Powered or Hardwire BRK Alarm videos. If you are installing during a construction or renovation phase, attach the protective dust cover included in the box now to keep the sensor clear until the site is clean. Once mounted, test the alarm to verify proper operation by pushing the test button. For smoke, you'll hear a 3-beep sequence, a short pause, and then the same 3-beep sequence again. For carbon monoxide, the alarm will produce 4 beeps, followed by a pause, and then repeat the 4-beep sequence. Testing confirms both the sensor and horn are functioning correctly. Always check your province or territory's local laws, regulations and building codes before installing smoke alarms to ensure the installation meets all required safety standards. For technical support or additional product documentation, visit BRK's support resources or contact your distributor. Thanks for watching.